Hey guys, good morning. So today we'll be leaving for Halong Bay and it's almost 6:30 over here. And अब छिटो गरेर ब्रेकफास्ट गर्न जानुपर्छ because our guide will come pick up us here at 7:30 sharp भनेको छ. So let's go fast. Breakfast भट्टाभट गरेर and त्यसपछि we'll be ready for guide. We'll be waiting for guide reception and then we'll leave for Halong Bay because he said it's about 175 kilometers jati टाढा, so it will be a long travel. So let's go.
176 kilometers. We spent around 3.5 hours to 4 hours to arrive to Halong City.
Okay, so we had our breakfast and breakfast पछि हतार गरेर we are on our way to Halong Bay. This is a place where we get Vietnamese traditional things and things that are made in Vietnam. So let's go inside, check it out. Funny. So thank you. Thank you. त्यहाँनिर सुरु मैले खिच्न लागेको थिएँ एन्ड देन के भन्यो भने एकवटा खिच्दाखेरि नो क्यामेराज अलाउड भन्यो अनि मैले फेरि खिचिनँ अनि त्यो एउटा त्यो जुन चाहिँ त्यो यस्तो त्यो धागोले सुई सिलाउँदै गरेको थियो नि त्यो चाहिँ बब्बा लाग्यो मलाई हेर्दाखेरि पेन्टिङ जस्तो थियो कि त्यो पेन्टिङ जस्तो छ तर यस्तो भित्र ध्यान दिएर हेर्ने सबै धागो थियो कि त्यो चाहिँ and then we came out from there. त्यसपछि yeah, and I bought two things over there. एउटा चाहिँ यहाँको coffee because Vietnam is famous for coffees and another thing that I bought was एउटा सानो मिठाई नेपालमा हुँदाखेरि एकजना अङ्कलले खुवाउनु भएको थियो मलाई सो त्यो मिठाई एकदम मन परेको भएर हाने भएन त्यो सन पापडी जस्तो हुन्छ तर इट्स रियली गुड देन सन पापडी सफ्ट एन्ड अल त्यो धुलो हुँदैन
त्यसको टेस्ट नि भन्दिनु न
स्वीट भेरी स्वीट ओ माय गॉड स्वीट भाइले डिटेल भन्न लागिसक्यो मलाई यहाँ सो डिड यु लाइक दोस पर्ल्स
Oh, they are some. Yes.
Did you buy one for yourself?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why didn't you buy one for yourself?
Nothing.
Huh?
And
I saw the process how pearls are made from oysters. It's really expensive.
Tuan Châu Island. 1,969 islands inside the bay.
The next thing that I forgot to say was I even asked the traditional ठाउँमा I even asked about something like this. यस्तो टाइपको पत्थरहरू नेपालमा भन्दा it's really expensive.
So ladies and gentlemen, now we are going to leave the bus.
For beautiful people. यता वाटर पार्क त्यो पानी स्लाइड खेल्ने and all. यतापट्टि blue समुद्र very beautiful with big ships and all. And now we'll be leaving our bus and our bag earlier will be going on a ship. Okay, let's go. Okay, my brother is beach ready.
Yeah, I'm very rich. Come to my yards tonight. Come by.
Rich one and beach one मैले.
No, I'm not.
BEACH है फिर BITCH छैन.
Yeah, we are going to the beach. We are going to my own private yacht. Come on, lady.
thì
Okay.
ra lên hẳn một gì thì hay được.
Okay.
What?
Thank you. Good. Cheers, Samizana. Cheers.
I'm holding on. Cheers.
Cheers. This is prawn, squid, spring roll, oysters, and salad. Where are we now?
Cave. We are in the cave.
How long the cave?
Between the sea, we are in the cave.
How long the
Cave
cave?
of wonders. There is Aladdin genie.
How many steps?
6,000 steps.
No, not 6,000.
600.
Huh?
600. 600 steps.
नहीं है पता है कितना मजा मेरे टच में
Boy, this is
know you want it, I know you need it. Hi, Reto baby, hi, ISTAYFLY, fly.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
One, go. One, two, three, go.
Okay, so we have finished our
And also cooking demonstration.
What's that? Thank you. So that's wet tissue, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Sunny.
Yes.
So we are returning from Halong Bay.
Yes.
How was Halong Bay?
Good.
Huh?
Great.
Good or great?
Great.
So what did you enjoy about it?
She met our enemy. That's
The terrace.
Huh?
The top of
The top of the boat.
sunset.
double deck boat.
And what didn't you like about Halong Bay?
Giving crabs. Not crabs, but giving
seafood.
Yeah.
You didn't like the seafood?
No.
No.
That's all. That was the song made by Nostada. No.
Everyone irritates me.
소연아. 어디지?
어디 아이스에서 사업 나오는 기들은 아이스데.
हजुर.
Even absorb can clean their air freshener. Also can unclean the sickness virus. This one you can put inside shoes, and avoid sweat and you will smell very good. Okay. No washing machine is okay, no problem. Okay. Okay, wrong now. Okay, and now you can see the water finish. And one more thing, you don't say the water.
moments later.
Sohit bhai, say something for my
So
vlog.
Bean is giving us treat today. We are going to have beer.
So being here is like our brother. Yeah, it's like our brother. Yeah, we came back from Halong Bay,
Yeah.
went hotel,
Yeah.
and came for the night market.
Today is the last day of being with us.
Yeah.
So we will miss him. We love him a lot.
Next time we come Vietnam, we'll meet you, sure.
But next time we will think of no family.
Yeah.
It's about to come Nepal in December, right?
Yeah, you should meet us.
If I travel at the time, I will meet you 100%.
Okay.
I will call you at that time.
Yeah, sure.
I'm feeling very sad because tomorrow Bean will not be with us. I'm feeling sad.
Exactly. I don't want to leave Vietnam as well. Like it's not enough. I want to stay some more days here.
I don't want to leave Bean. Come here. Please, our friends, come here and meet me. And I will show you about Vietnamese life. It's very friendly.
It's really good.
Cheers. In Vietnam we say Zo. Zo. No, Laru.
Sorry?
Laru.
Laru beer. Okay, so this beer is really good. Cheers once again.
दिदी मेरै अगाडि थियो के
Okay guys, so we are back from Halong Bay. हिजो पनि राति हतार भएर एकदम थकिलाको भएर I slept early. I learned a lot of things about Ho Chi Minh and he's really an inspiring person. मैले यो भन्दा अगाडि खासै राम्रो सुनेको थिएन. Today yeah, Halong Bay was really good. Enjoyed a lot, but then मेरो ड्रोन चाहिँ मैले उडाउन खोज्दाखेरि त्यो GPS ले होममै राखेको होम सेलेक्ट गरिसक्यो भएर ड्रोन एकै ठाउँमा उड्यो सिप चाहिँ सुइँ चलिरहेको भएर ब्याङ भएर त्यो खुट्टा चाहिँ एउटा भाँचेको थियो अनि सोइनालाई सानो घाउ भयो या एन्ड देन वी केम ब्याक अनि वन्स वी केम ब्याक हामी आउने बित्तिकै होटेलमा सब मम ड्याडहरू सबलाई छोडेर बिन आवर गाइड इज मोर लाइक अ ब्रदर टु अस नाउ सोहित बिन अनि त्यसपछि म हामी चारजना चाहिँ वी वेन्ट फर अ ड्रिङ्क सो बिनको ट्रिट थियो अनि द बियर वाज रियली गुड मिठो थियो
If you want guys in Vietnam, you can contact
Yeah,
Bean.
he's really good. He treats like आफ्नै दाजुभाइहरू जसरी.
If you want to know about more about Bean, just contact S Resta in S Vlogs and do subscribe my brother's channel.
So yeah, thank
And
you.
if you want, you can subscribe mine too.
Yeah, so subscribe his channel too.
क्युट
So yeah, tomorrow we have flight to Bangkok and Bangkok where transit bus we are directly flying to Phuket. So हाम्रो अब राति प्याकिङ हुँदैछ.
And I'm very happy because we are going to Bangkok.
Yeah, and it's already कति बज्यो? 12:30 भइसक्यो होला रातिको बिकज हामी फेरि आएर मम ड्याडहरुसँग डिनर गरेर we again went out यो आज नाइट मार्केट छ रे हाम्रो एरियामा यो ठमेल एरिया जस्तोमा थियो अनि त्यहाँनिर हाम्रो अलगली सपिङ पनि गर्यो इट वाज रियली गुड यहाँको नाइट मार्केट चलपल भएको बेलामा लाइक ठमेल लेक साइडहरु भन्दा बब्बाले हुने रहेछ एन्ड या माई फ्रेन्ड अस्ति मैले जुन चाहिँ मेसेज गरेको थिएँ भने थिएँ ओल्ड क्वार्टरको नाइट लाइफ इज बबाल भनेको थियो इज रियली राइट एकदम खतरा रहेछ आई रियली लभड इट अनि मलाई भियतनाममा अझै बस्न नपुगे जस्तो नि भइरहेछ जुन चाहिँ हामीले भन्छ नि लाइक सिङ्गापुरमा गएर अग्लो बिल्डिङ हेर्ने यताउता हेर्ने कि इट्स काइन्ड अफ लाइक बाली जुन चाहिँ चिल गरेर आनन्द लिने ठाउँ जस्तो छ एन्ड आई एम रियली लभिङ इट अनि नेक्स्ट टाइम त हाम्रो भाइले प्लान पनि गरिसक्यो सोहितले दाजुभाइ मात्रै आउने भनेर अघि नै दाजुभाइ मात्रै आउने रे हाम्रो भाइले चाहिँ थाइल्यान्ड जसरी मात्रै थाइल्यान्डहरू थाई पिपल बोले जसरी मात्रै बोलेछ Non-stop trip भरि नै.
Yeah, he's tripping. So he's only thinking about trip.
Okay, yeah. So we'll be packing right now, and then good night for today. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll be flying to Phuket. So guys, see you next video. Bye bye. Good night.